Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to sign up for Murf AI using your Microsoft account. Now let's begin. Open a browser of your choice on your mobile device or your desktop and simply type Murf AI on the search bar and click on enter. This is the home page for Murf AI. If you want to know about more features provided by Murf AI, you can scroll over. You can also focus on the nav bar to see the many products provided and what can be created. But now let's focus on the sign up section. You can find it at the rightmost corner of the nav bar. Simply click on it and you will be directed to a new page to create an account. We can create an account using many ways, that is by using Google, Microsoft, Slack, or email and password. In this video, we're gonna focus on how to sign up using Microsoft. So let's select this button and simply click on it. Now simply enter your Microsoft login credentials, click on next. Now enter the password and click on sign in. If you don't remember your Microsoft ID password, you can forget it right now or send an email code to the registered email. Let's click on sign in. You can select no or yes, it's completely up to you. For now, I'm gonna select yes. And Murf AI will ask for our permission to read our profile. If you don't want it to read your profile, you can simply click on cancel right now. Otherwise, click on accept. Well guys, we have successfully signed up for Murf AI using our Microsoft account. If you have any queries, you can comment below. That's it for the video guys. This is how we sign up for Murf AI using our Microsoft account. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.